You are going to love the 2025 ProMaster. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, black door handles, Inside you'll find trip computer, cloth bucket seats. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.